filmmakers of the world, great news! Now you can use our shortlisting tool to shortlist script in any language and any format. You don't need standard US film script in order to use our tool. I'm going to very quickly show you how to use it. So I'm going to log into my account as usual, click new script. But instead of hitting this big purple button, I'll select the link, enter script manually. I'm going to name our script, sample script. For these purposes is just fine, I think. I'm going to click next. Now next, we land on this empty screen, but we will populate it in short order. These are all optional fields, but I would strongly recommend numbering your scenes and giving the scene some sort of slug line. I'll call it scene 1 here just for demonstration. And then I'm going to flip over to my script and highlight and copy the text of my scene 1. This one is in English because that's what I have, but if you have other language, Roman languages work really well. Let us know what other languages work. While we're waiting for the scene to be shortlisted, notice here that we are calculating the scene length. Now in 1/8 of a page. Hopefully that helps. And here is the shot list for first scene. We have 9 shots suggested, close up, wide, insert. I can continue working on the shot list as usual. I can make selections for movement, focus, etc. I can enter notes right here. You can enter them, I'm pretty sure, in your native language. But you'll notice that the scene beats will be broken up and displayed in English. And then when you're done with scene 1, you can continue with scene 2, scene 3, etc. However many scenes your movie has. And once you're done shortlisting, you can do the export as usual. Just click the export button, make your selection, and you're on your way.